Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to add FFmpeg to Laravel. Basically, this library allows us to modify our media, like audios or videos. So it is useful when we want to convert from a video type to another. Let's see how we can add it to Laravel. Well, first we are going to install it from this library. You can see step by step on how to install it. But the easy way is to copy composer require, create a new terminal, paste it, and let's wait until it is installed. So now that it's complete, we are going to add the next info if we are not using Laravel 11. For do that, we are going to find the config folder, which is here, and we are going to open the app.php. Here we are going to look for providers. In case that you have it, you just need to add this line and also in the aliases. But since we are using Laravel 11, we are going to skip it for now. Now we are going to run this command in order to create the configuration file for FFmpeg. As you can see here, we created a configuration file. This is going to have where is located our FFmpeg.exe and our FFprop. Well, now that we have the configuration file, we are going to install the FFmpeg. In order to do that, we are going to look here and we are going to select our operating system and we are going to follow the steps. So for Windows, I'm going to select the first link, and the good thing of this is that we already have a command installed, so I'm just going to copy and paste it in a terminal, and I'm going to wait until the installation is complete. Okay, so now let's see what is the installation path. Here we can see the defaults. So as you can see here, this is where the packages are installed. In order to print the complete path, we are going to use echo. We are going to copy this path and we are going to open it in a folder. Well, here we can do two things. We can just copy this path and place it in our M file, or we can move this library into our C folder. It's going to be the same, but many people prefer this option. So let's rename it. Let's call it FFmpeg. You can choose any name. So now we are going to update our N file. So we are going to add 2 new bars until the end. So we are going to copy this, place it at the end of the file, and verify that this path is correct. Let's just open the folder, let's paste here, and as you can see here, it is appropriate. The next step is just to test. Well, we are going to need any video. Here I'm using the WebM, but you can also change the type if you don't have one. Well, I'm going to paste that into our storage app folder. So I'm going to do right click and reveal in File Explorer. I'm going to open the app folder and I'm going to paste a video. So let me paste it, and as you can see, it's a WebM file. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to place the code. You can create a controller. I already have the home controller, which is mostly created by default. here we have a middleware, so I'm going to deactivate it for testing purposes, and I'm just going to copy this code. This is going to need these libraries, so I'm going to import them, and it's going to be right here. So we are almost done. The only thing that we are missing is to add this method into the routes. So we are going to find the folder routes and open the web.php file. Let's paste here, and the name can be any, so I'm going to just update it to test, and let's see if it's working. We can open the next URL to call the method, and it completed. So let's see if it worked as expected. So now we have the MP4 file. Let's open to check the integrity, and it seems that it's working. Now let's open the WAV file, and the reason that we convert WAV file to MP4 is because the WAV files are not very compatible with the Windows player. That's why it just skips some of the video, but with MP4 it seems that it's working. So thank you. Please feel free to comment.